Welcome to another unboxing video. This is the microSD card and it's made by AGI or AGI, or I think it's AGI, and this is the 1 terabyte version of the AGI microSD card, and it's a V30 standard A2 V30, so it will do at least 30 megabytes write per second. So it's good for 4K video recording, and the speed is up to 170 read advertised and 160 write advertised, but you know how this thing is. 4K UHD capable, and it's a memory card. This is made in Taiwan by this company AGI. Usually I buy the memory cards always from SanDisk or Kingston, but this time it's even this one is X-ray proof. I don't know if they're all X-ray proof or not. That's the barcode. Usually I buy everything from SanDisk, but this was cheaper. I found a good deal on it. I paid for this. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money. I was looking to buy a microSD card for my phone, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. And I saw that there are actually 2 terabyte versions of this card and SanDisk Extreme Pro. First I was looking at SanDisk Extreme Pro or the Amazon Basics 1 terabyte card, but it was the Amazon Basics was a bit too low specifications, not high enough read speed for me, and the SanDisk was more expensive. This was a little bit cheaper, so I went for the cheaper price. I hope I won't regret it. And I did a little bit of research, not much, and it seems like AGI or AGI or whatever they call themselves, they are not like a fake company. They are real. They make memory cards and SSD drives and NVMe drives, and I thought, okay, I will buy this one to see how it goes for the phone. And it comes the microSD memory card and an adapter, and that's all. That's all you get. The 2 terabyte version, I saw that it might come with also a microSD card reader. That would be very nice if they had this with this card, but it would make it more expensive. So yeah, I prefer it like this. I have a card reader, a regular SD card reader, and I can really just put the microSD card in the card reader and then it becomes a full size SD card. These are the markings on the AGI card. It supposedly is made for gaming. I did a few tests afterwards, and it has a few issues. It's not ideal. It's really not perfect. If you need the full-size SD card, it's better to buy the normal SD card, I believe. But I will show you in a future video tests and how it works on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V and on the computer. Thanks for watching. This is the unboxing.